Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how I like to make my magic loops. I start by holding the yarn between my left thumb and pointer finger, and I leave about a 2-inch long tail. And then I wrap the yarn around my pointer finger and middle finger 2 times. And I'm just holding that in place by pinching it between my thumb and pointer finger. And then I wrap it a 3rd time, but I cross it over to the left and hold that with my ring and pinky finger. And then you need to insert your hook under those first 2 loops, grab that 3rd one and pull it under the 2 loops, and then grab that yarn again to slip stitch it through here to finish your magic loop. And so now I have 2 loops that go around and my tail end of my yarn. The reason I like to do my magic loops this way is it makes them more secure. That way they don't close up tight on me or come loose. So I'm just going to work 5 single crochets into my magic loop and then show you how you would close your loop when you're done with your project. Right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So let's say we're done with our project now. And we got these 2 loops and our tail end of the yarn. So we have 2 loops that we need to close. So first, start by pulling on the tail end of your yarn to see what loop is going to start closing up first. Sorry, that's my dog. And this loop started closing first, but if we close it all the way, we're still going to be left with this one. So to close this one, we need to pull on either this end or this end of this smaller loop. So I'm going to start by pulling on this end. Let's see. Come on, there we go. All right. So just keep pulling on that end until that first loop closes up. So now we're left with this big loop, and we know this closes up by pulling on the tail end of our yarn. So now both loops are closed. Magic circle is completely closed up and your project is finished.